Alright guys, here's a video showing you how to start the 346 XP Husqvarna. Pretty good, faster on the chainsaw. Usually push primer button here about 10 times. There you have my choke is broke off, but there's a little tab here. Pull that. I'll actually lift up the on button. Down is stop, and this is up is on. I'm gonna pull out the choke. It's on. And crank it until it pops. Push that in, it was starting to smell flooded. There we go, got it started. Hadn't been started for probably 3 months, but needed a little choke, then I had to shut it off before it got flooded. So there we go.